How to log into Costco Citi Card online account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and search for citi.com. Once you're on this web page, on the right hand side, you're going to find the portal for logging in. Now here you want to enter your user ID. Then enter your password. Now if you want to remember your credentials, check the box that says Remember User ID. Uncheck the box if you are using a public computer, then click on the Sign On button. If you want to sign in using your QR code, then click on the option that says Powerless Sign On. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you have the option to retrieve your user ID and password. If you are a new customer, you have the option to register or activate your online account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.